going on, everyone? Today we're going to be servicing a VF Commodore SV6. So we've got this lovely machine here. Going to do, I think it's a 50,000 kilometer service. It's a manual. Yeah, it's my brother's car. But yeah, we're going to service this. I just changed the engine oil and the oil filter today because that's what the service manual says. So I've gone and got me some 5W30 Enviro. So it's got the DEX, whatever that is, it's approved. So this is for warranty, and I've also got a genuine oil filter and also the genuine sump plug little O-ring there. So firstly we just gotta, I've already done it, but jack up the car and gotta undo the 13mm bolts. There's a few of them, and that gets rid of the tray, and we just gotta drain the oil out somewhere there. So I'll go ahead and we'll do that really quick. It's pretty simple video today, but also show you how to reset the service reminder and gotta replace the battery in the key as well. Okay, so I'll have to replace this O-ring in here, so you can sort of pick that out, get it out somehow, and throw that one away, get your new one and slip that on all the way down. And it's a genuine seal from Holden, so we'll throw that back up in the car now, so all good. Alright, so next we've got to come into here and we've got to undo the oil filter. So I think it's about a 24, so I've got a 24 here, and we'll just try to get that off real quick, just like that. It's only got to be done up to 25 Newton meters, so yeah, near nothing, but I'll show you what to do when we get this out. Alright, so I've got the oil filter off there now, and I've brought it down here. So it's just a little paper element. Yeah, make sure it's still got that rubber seal on the bottom of it, because sometimes if you don't change it regularly enough it could stuff up and sit in the bottom there. But we'll take that off, and also got to replace this O-ring here, but that's all included with the kit. So yeah, that's the part number for anyone that wants to do one of these SV6 Commodore, or yeah, the SV6 Commodores, genuine GM item. So I'll pull this out, show you what's in it. Okay, so I got a bit of oil and I put it around all the rubber and then on the seal there, and I've slipped that in and put the new seal on. Yeah, just make sure you oil it first so it goes in real nice and easily, and it's just as simple as putting it back in there and just screwing it up like so and tighten it. It only has to be 25 Newton meters, so that's like not a whole lot. It's not really tight at all, it's just sort of nipped up. So that got tight there now. And then yeah, just a little bit more. That's it, done. Now we got to put some oil in it. Alright, so I've put all that back together now, and I've put the car back in the ground, and I've fixed all that under tray up there. They're only 13mm bolts, so gotta come here and have a quick look in here. I don't have an air gun, but we'll have a look-see anyway. Just a few clips and that should come out like so. That looks brand new. Any big leaves. That's very clean in there already, so I'm not going to worry about that. We'll throw that back in there real quick. Oh, sorry, shake cam. Pull your clips back on. And don't forget this one. There we go, that's all done. So we'll go into the cockpit now and have a look. Alright, so we're in here now. It says replace battery and remote key, so we've got to do that. But we're going to reset the service reminder, so what you got to do is you got to come over to where your start stop is, hold it for 10 seconds, so and then you hit the accelerator pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Did it do it? Oh, no, I don't think I did it. That was failure. Something like that. I'll have to figure this out. Alright, so it turns out I did do it correct. So, all is good. But, yeah, I've got to replace the battery in one of these. But, turns out I don't have the right battery, so I might do that in another video. I'll do it in a separate video. But yeah, whatever. All I gotta do now is just change the sticker, and that's it, really. So, thanks for watching this video. Nothing really exciting, but yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below if this was helpful to you. So, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.